Imagine you wake up one morning and find that world's richest man Elon Musk just dropped a casual $97.4 billion check to take control of OpenAI. But wait, it gets crazier. The CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, did not just say a simple no to it, he publicly clapped back on Musk on his own platform X. Altman said, "No, thank you. We will buy your platform X for the same amount if you want." Yes, unfortunately, that is how things look like today. The AI war had just turned into a full fledged roast battle between Elon Musk and Sam Altman. Let us dig deeper and answer the obvious question. Why is Musk, who already owns X, Tesla, and SpaceX, the literal infrastructure of the internet, so desperate to take control of OpenAI? Is it about AI safety, power, or just one of his strategies to troll Sam Altman? Let us rewind back to when Musk originally co-founded OpenAI as a non-profit research organization. He even donated $50 million to keep it running. Fast forward to today, OpenAI is now a profit powerhouse backed by Microsoft with an estimated net worth of $260 billion. And Musk, well, he is furious that a company he helped build has become a corporate money machine. So, what is at play here? Musk's offer isn't just about buying OpenAI, it is about breaking it. His legal team claims that OpenAI has strayed from its original mission, and if he can't own it, he is going to make the life very difficult for Sam Altman and company. But OpenAI isn't backing down. In fact, they have got a secret weapon, their own custom AI chip to challenge NVIDIA's dominance. They are even working on AI chatbot specifically for government use. OpenAI is securing power beyond just consumer tech. It is getting into business of controlling information. Meanwhile, Musk's own AI startup called XAI is rapidly growing. And let us not forget that Musk controls Starlink, Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, and Neuralink. He is literally wiring AI into human brains while OpenAI is busy selling chatbots. So, who wins the AI war? Honestly, neither. Because while Musk and Altman battle it out, Microsoft is the real kingmaker here. They have $1 million deal with OpenAI and a vested interest in keeping Altman in control. But one thing is certain, this beef isn't over yet. And whether you love him or hate him, Elon Musk has just fired the biggest shot in AI takeover war.
The reason I am the reason OpenAI exists.
How much money did you give them?
I'm not sure the exact number, but it's some number on the order of $50 million.
Do you think Musk's approach then is from a position of insecurity about XAI?
Probably his whole life is from a position of insecurity. I feel for the guy.
You feel for him?
I do, actually.
What do you think? Should Musk be allowed to take over OpenAI, or is Altman right to push back? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.